Welcome to Uflyer, your one-stop channel for all kind of IELTS materials. It has been seen that IELTS aspirants find it difficult to answer matching feature questions. Watch the entire video to get an in-depth understanding of this type of question. Before starting the video, for those who are new to the channel, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Please like the video if you find it helpful. So without any further delay, let's start today's video. What is a matching feature question? Matching feature question is a question type in the IELTS reading module where you will have to match a list of options to a relevant set of statements. In this video, you will get the tips and strategies to solve this question type, and also a sample question format which will help you to identify this type of question. You will also learn how to find the right answer to the questions quickly. In this type of question, you will be provided with a passage and two lists. List 1 will contain sentences or statements, and list 2 will contain names of people, materials, or any feature related to the statements from the first list. You have to match the statements from the first list with the correct features given in the second list. Here are some brief tips to remember when approaching this question type. Do's. 1. Read the questions first, and then circle or underline the keywords. 2. Scan the passage. Look for informations provided in the features and also in the questions. 3. Skim as necessary in the area surrounding the keywords and features in the passage. 4. Write only letters mentioned in the question on your answer sheet. 5. Remember that answers will not come in order. It can be anywhere in the passage. Don'ts. 1. Don't read the passage first. 2. Don't read for general information. If you want to read for specific details, use the scanning method first and then skim as necessary. 3. Don't repeat any letters if not instructed to do so in the directions. 4. Don't write any words in your answer booklet for this section. If you want to know about skimming and scanning method, please comment down below. We will make a separate video on skimming and scanning only for you. Key tips. 1. The statements will not appear in the same order in the text as they are listed in the instructions. Neither will the names appear in the same order that they are listed. 2. The statements will usually paraphrase information in the text. 3. Some of the names might be shortened in the text to an initial and surname, or just the first name or last name might be used. It can be helpful to have different colored pens to underline the different names in the text. 4. Don't spend too long on any one statement. If you get stuck, move on to the next one. Come back to it when you have eliminated other statements, thus you will have fewer options to choose from. 5. In some test papers, there will be more statements than there are names, and you will be told in the instructions that you can use a letter more than once. So you have to keep in mind that one statement can have more than one feature. Skills needed to solve matching features question. 1. Good vocabulary. 2. Paraphrasing. 3. Identifying paraphrasing and synonyms. Question setters love to give distractors, so they use different synonyms to confuse the applicants. 4. Scanning the paragraph for names and features given in the questions. 5. Finding the meaning from a given context. You should be able to understand what the author of the passage wants to say. 6. Noting the important information. 7. Time management. Difference between IELTS General and IELTS Academic matching feature question. The difference between IELTS Academic and IELTS General matching feature question depends on the type of reading passage used. The IELTS Academic matching features generally contain passages with topics that are relevant for anyone, day-to-day topics, who is going to study at a college or university. You can say academic topics. IELTS General matching features questions will be based on topics that are of general interest like healthcare, education, science, environment, etc. you can say more of general awareness topics. A sample question is provided to help you identify. Please pause the video and have a look at the question type and understand the question format and also the instructions given alongside the question. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has given a detailed insight into the matching feature question. For more such informative videos, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.